Hello and welcome to Mama's Garden. So you guys, we have that potato plant the potatoes that we planted a few months ago, and my mom needs this planter, so we're gonna go ahead and dig it up. All the leaves had died back from it, so we're just gonna go ahead and pull, see what we can get from it. All right, so I'm gonna just pull these things out. I hope that they are not mushy because it's been raining a lot lately. And that's one of the reasons why I definitely want to hurry up and get these things out of here. Because I don't want the potatoes to be mushy.
I'm helping with my hands.
You helping with your hands?
Yeah. I got no gloves on. I'm helping with my hands. Digging so fast.
I don't know if there's anything in here. I don't feel anything. Don't tell me we wasted a planter. We wasted a planter, Mom? Oh my gosh.
Well, this one don't have.
Oh my goodness.
Gosh. Dig so deep.
The dirt.
We can dig a big hole.
Let me see. I'm gonna dump some. Cause what? You can pause it. Cause I don't want to use up all the space. It's a root, right? It's something growing over here.
Dig it, Mom. I'm going to find a root. I'm going to find a root. Yeah. Oh, look. I found bad things.
Potatoes wanted to grow here. Look at that.
I can't find no potatoes.
Hold on now. I might put this in a pot somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it in a separate pot. Look at that. So, and that's the crazy thing is, this is a baby potato. It's growing a new potato from the baby potato.
I found no potatoes.
So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this inside of a container by itself because that's crazy. All right, so you guys, we found a whole bunch of potatoes, but all of them were mushy. It's been raining so much.
Yeah, look. I found mushy one.
All of these are mushy potatoes. Like, that sucks. And there's nothing but more mushy potatoes in here. Nothing but mushy potatoes.
Hoping.
I see you helping, baby. But we might not get potatoes this year.
Yeah.
Nothing but mushy potatoes. Look at that. Just mushy potatoes.
Mom, I'm gonna
We have some survivors. We have some survivors.
That's potato.
Yeah,
That's potato.
We have some survivors. It's so tiny, but it's a survivor.
That's the size. That's the little size of it.
Something made it. So,
You take it out too fast.
but it would have mushed up just like the other ones.
Oh my God.
One corner survived. The rest of them died. But let me see. Show some there. And it felt like there's a hole in there. Look at that. See some more mushy ones. We would have had so many potatoes.
So many potatoes.
Oh. Oh no.
Mom,
Yes.
I'm gonna put the potato.
A mushy one.
Mom,
Mhm.
I'm gonna put the potatoes. I'm gonna put the potatoes right here.
Look at that. These mushy stuff. Oh my goodness.
Mom, put the potatoes right
We would
there.
have had so many potatoes. Yeah.
I'm putting the potatoes right there.
Okay.
And we find more good potatoes.
If we find any more good ones, that's
Yeah,
right.
I'm putting it right there.
There's so many mushy potatoes in here.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all, I'm so disappointed. And I think it's really our fault because this right here, this soil is so compacted that it helped rot these potatoes after every single rain. And there's so many. There's so many potatoes that. All right, so here goes another container of potatoes. We're gonna go ahead and empty. I'm probably gonna not mess with these too much and probably replant them.
Yeah.
Because they still look like they're grown, but we need this container.
Yeah.
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 Hopefully there's something growing in here, but I could tell already this the same kind of
Yeah.
concoction as the last one.
I hope there's no gross potatoes.
You hope what?
I hope there's no the bad squished potatoes.
Me too.
Yeah, we went to the next one and it was so squishy potatoes.
The other one was squishy.
Yeah, it got squishy. The other one got squishy potatoes.
So many squishy potatoes, right?
Yeah, and we found a new potato when we found a squishy potato.
Well, I don't know if I'm be able to save this. I don't know.
Well, I'm gonna
No, don't pull it.
You around them?
Yeah, I'm getting that around that one because there might be something that I could keep over here.
I'm hard to get to
You
this.
see how they're
That-
digging and stuff like that. They are digging to see if there's any potato on the bottom of the soil.
I'm gonna take
From
a
what
look.
I see is a lot of soil, a lot of root. If you could see the leaves, the green leaves. Sometimes when you see the green leaves, it end up not growing enough. No,
Take that out.
not growing enough and stuff like that. But you could see potato in there. But my daughter want to see how it is. But it's still potato growing. In the middle of the leaves, you could see it.
It ain't.
There is potato.
Potato.
You can pull those out.
I'm gonna put these on the ground.
I usually let my potato stays more
Let me get it.
Hold on, let me
on the
show Grandma.
ground.
We'll probably just rip this out. But here go. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I
I'm
can save.
getting it.
Hold up.
But you gotta do it hard.
I don't think I can save
Hold
it.
on.
I don't think I can save it.
I think you could save it.
Hold on.
There's more on the bottom.
Dad,
You see potato.
Look.
can I
There's
put it?
more baby and all that. She gotta save it.
That's the
Put
seed
them in the
potato.
bottom. Oh,
It's rotten. It was getting. It's rotting.
okay.
Can I put it?
See.
I saved it, Mom. I put it. I can hold it. I can hold all of them.
Here,
I can hold
here's that one. It's a whole bunch of babies in there.
Mom, Mom,
Come
I found a
inside.
potato.
Here, Samir, here.
Look, I found a potato. Mira, look, I found a potato.
Why I can't? Okay, now I see. Why is big? Got.
Zoom in.
Okay, now I see. You see, the potato. He's holding a potato.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. He
found
found
it.
it on the
You
bottom of
found
the
it.
soil.
I know where the rest of the potatoes are.
He's kind of helper. He like to help.
I'd like to help.
Look,
in the
Samir, I found more.
garden.
I found more. This one might just be happier. Where did we have this one? This one was under there. But
Look how they grabbing.
look, there's some more over there. Go ahead, dig. Come, Mom, show them.
This is so
Oh,
giant.
look at that.
We found, Mom, look, Mom, I did. Oh, another one. I know give the other one to you. We found one.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, we found. Oh, look.
Oh, it's a lot down there.
He pulled this. Oh, we got a lot, but it's
Yeah, you
gotta
need
get
those.
yeah.
It's
Look.
root there. I'm putting that root for the potatoes. Mom,
Look.
It's a lot. You see a big one.
And then look, they got some babies over
potato
there.
under here. A potato.
Potato.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. Show them his hand. Hold on.
Look at I found a bunch of potatoes.
If we would have left them a little bit longer,
Yeah,
but
it
I
would
know
have
you need
been,
this thing
yeah,
though.
but,
But look at here.
I like potato.
Look at here, Samir.
I like potato, so
There's more.
I would love to have more.
Come back, Samir. There's
But
so
we
many
dig
more.
we dig the potato too
Too-
fast.
Yeah.
But
You
tonight-
need this. We're gonna cook it.
we're gonna cook it.
Or should we wait?
I'm gonna eat it.
Should we wait or no?
No,
Oh, we wait.
I think we have enough
We gotta
to
wait
eat
to
book
eat
because
it.
they sell them like
Yeah, we
that.
can wait to eat them.
Let's wait, right?
Yeah,
Look at these. It's a lot.
you see, there's a lot of
Some of them
potato.
did start to squish up,
You
but
see?
look at here. So
Look at it.
Mom,
look at here.
Mom.
Yes.
I found one on my side.
Show grandma. Show grandma.
Grandma.
Put-
Look,
Is the mosquitoes getting you? Do I have to spray you?
Square.
Let me go spray you.
I found this.
What's
Here.
that? What's that? A baby one.
Yeah. Show her that. That's so bad.
Let's go. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, it's about the
Joey.
storm. It's about the
Yeah.
storm.
They say it's coming over here.
Look, oh,
It's
come here,
coming
come
over
on, look at all this stuff. I got a whole set. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
They so small, but it would have
No,
been
they
so
still-
much bigger. It would have been.
It's more. I see a bunch.
This one was so successful. Look at all of them.
Look, I found so much.
So many.
Oh, look. Both of
Look at
them.
his.
Look at mine. I got so many.
So many.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys,
It's about- we have to hurry up.
A tornado warning,
gotta hurry up.
since yesterday, so it's coming our way now and stuff. But we have to finish digging
We're gonna show y'all
for
at the
more
end.
potato. At the end, y'all gonna see more. All right.
So this is what we working with so far.
And we got a
They
bucket.
small, but I don't
We
care.
got a bucket for all this.
Yeah, we got a bucket for all of this. Look at here.
Put them in there, Mom.
All right, you guys, this is the last bit, and it's raining, so we're gonna get what we can get. Come on, Samantha.
It's gonna be a tornado, so we just
It's a whole bunch of babies.
Put them in here.
Okay.
Mom, you can't hold that much.
We grew some potatoes.
Oh!
Okay. Oh, yeah, they got a big one right
I
there. Oh, that's
found
medium.
what?
Don't put the dirt in
No.
there.
now it's gonna take
It's
time
baby
to
ones.
wash it.
Oh my gosh, it's raining. Let's go. Can we go
How?
to the
It's been clean.
More potato? Oh, one right here. Oh, he's cute.
Look, right there, right there.
Big one. Super big one. It's like Superman.
Look at our potato, Romeo.
We got one big one.
This one you can tell is a
Look,
different
Mom, I
kind.
found a hole.
Oh, he went inside already?
I found a hole,
Yeah.
Mom. Mom, you know what? I found a hole.
But there's so many in here.
So many here.
Oop.
Don't drop. Yeah.
I dropped them.
Well, at least I thought it was so many in here.
You thought there's 10 in here. You got this 10 in there. One, baby, one.
Oh, right there. Look, 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 look.
What?
Show the camera, show the camera.
Here's the camera. Bigger than that.
These were the...
It's right at the top of us.
Oh my goodness.
Why did it got here? How
Guys, it's gonna be a tornado, and all that. So
We could
it's
just,
just like rain mix or whatever that they say on the news or whatever.
so we could pause it if you want to, and we'll show them at the end.
Look at this. Oh, look at this. What those? Are green bombs?
So this is what we ended up with, you guys. This is the end result. Like I said, not too many big pieces, but you know, we got some decent size. I'll take it. I can still eat it. We got some little babies up in here. Let me see if I can find it right there. We got some babies, but we got some decent size taters. Yes, you guys, yes.